Hey babes, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. This is the face of the channel you are seeing, babes. So I'm in a chair this time. I'm doing a curly flip over with my new raw Burmese curly bundles, y'all. They are so tea. So what I did is I did leave out just my front portion of hair. You don't need a lot of hair. You don't need a lot of leave out for this look because it blends seamlessly. So then I did some real ugly chunky braids in the back of my head and cut out the ear tabs to allow that cap to lay flat. We're gonna spray that, drench it in some spritz, and then we're gonna go on to the next step. Alright, after I fully drench that, I am going in with a second cap. We are going to do the same exact thing, but instead for this one, we are going to do a glue line for the perimeter of that cap. We're doing 2 caps because we're anti-glue on the hair, okay? This is going to allow it to come seamlessly off, I guarantee you. So we're going to put that cap on, cut the ear tabs out, and then drench it again with spritz. But this time, you're going to do the glue line. You see that glue line around the perimeter? Yes. Then we're going to set in the dryer for about 20-30 minutes and then get to applying those bundles. Alright, now that we are all dried, I'm going to go in and cut all of that excess cap off. I would normally sew the perimeter of my cap down, but baby, I was tired and I didn't have time for all that. So I just go in and just cut that off. Still got the same results. My Quickweave is still in, still secured. But yeah, you just want to cut that all off before you go in and apply those tracks. I'm going to apply that first track going in a U shape going towards the front of my face. You guys will see in just a second. And you guys can purchase these bundles from my website. They are my new Wild Burmese curly extensions. I'm super excited about them. I love them. They're so versatile and I still have them in. Like, it honestly is like the best hair I've ever had. Make sure you guys go check that out. Alright, now we're about to lay our first track. You see where I'm going towards the front. You want to make sure you apply it towards the front. That is super important to make sure that your hair falls in your face. So I measure it and I cut it, apply my glue, and then I place that track exactly where I measured it at. Grocery store without some ones that's clean and a shirt with a team. We live in the American dream. The people highest up got the lowest self-esteem. The prettiest people do the ugliest thing. For the road to riches and diamond rings. Shine because they hate us, floss because they degrade us. We trying to buy back our 40 acres. And for that paper, look how low we stoop. Even if you in a bench, you still a nigga. Come on, come on. And when it falls down, who you gonna call now? Come on, come on. And when it all falls down. Alright, and you want to keep applying in the same direction, going around the entire head until we get to the top. So you're going to continue doing U shapes around the entire head until until we get to the little piece that is going to be in the front. That's going to seal the deal and make it completely seamless. Alright, and as I am getting ready to close up, I continue to going up in a U shape, and you should have a little space at the top where we're going to start doing smaller pieces, and instead of going in U shapes, we are going side to side until we get to the top. You see that last piece, I closed it up with a little, literally a little, probably like not even 2 inches. And now we're just seeing how it's giving. What is it giving? Flipping, make sure everything is being covered as we flip, and make sure everything looks seamless and can move around. Alright, and before I do my leave out, we're going to just calm this hair down just a little bit. So I'm going in with some water, just spraying that hair down, and then I'm going to go in with some foam just to define those curls a little bit more. And then I'm also going to go in with my diffuser to bring back the volume.
Keeping it street, we keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up.
Alright, and now we're going to get into the leave out. I'm just going to undo my braids, and then I am going to apply a heat protectant, and then go in with a wax stick and a hot comb just for my roots, and then we're going to wand curl the rest of the hair.
the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. You make it hard to talk about you. Like what I see, so I'm working my move. You give me butterflies. You the one for the mother guys. At the start, I told a couple lies, but after that, I swear I really tried. Cut the real about my past niggas, and I hope you never thinking otherwise. Sometimes my mind takes me places, and I wonder why. Why the fuck you got two phones, nigga? What you doing on that other line? Shit better be some money talk or some beef talk or another vibe. I don't play about a side bitch, and you heard me say it about 100 times. Let me try and keep it sexy for you. We can talk about that another time. Love your ass in the worst way. Let you hit it on the first day. What you gonna do for big mama for real? What do I give?
Alright, and that is how you do a quick weave flip over. Let me know if you guys try it on your own, and let me know how it goes down in the comments. You guys, this is the perfect hairstyle for pretty much anything. Super protective, and you don't have to put heat on your leave out every single time. I do flexi by my leave out every single day, and it's literally the same. So you guys, let me know. Don't forget to purchase your raw Burmese curly hair to create this same exact look. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to do all the things, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next week. Love you.
I told her don't worry, we stay high. Plus there's a bed on my tour bus, so you can get fucked as we pull up. I pull up like skirt in New Orleans. I pull up a skirt and get gnarly. She come to Wayne World just to party, and all of my tourists is fun.